All right, so this is model, add and subtract decimals, write an expression to match each model. So expression, again, is just 4 plus 6. Equation is 4 plus 6 equals 10. So we are doing decimals, so this is my 1 whole. So I have 1 whole and 3/10. Oh, sorry. I'm going to go ahead and you can pause it. And now I'm going to do it in 3, 2, 1. So here's a whole. We have 3/10. And we are adding that to, oh, these are tenths and hundreds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tenths, and looks like 9 hundredths. So that would be 79 hundredths. All right, moving on to B. Give you a moment to pause. All right, so we have 1 and 3/100ths. And we're adding that to, oh, no, there's no whole here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tenths. Oh, it's the same thing up there, 79 hundredths. I could have just used that, couldn't I? All right, numbers or letter C. All right, here we go. There's 2 wholes there, and wait a sec. Oh, these are thousandths. Oh, Mr. Light, you messed up big time. So yeah, I should have realized that. Man, so I have to go back up here. So this is actually. So now I have to think of this. Is this the, wait, oh man, I'm all off now. Because I assumed that was the whole. But now what this looks like is this is the, so these are hundredths, these are thousandths, and this is tenths. So I'm going to have to do some damage repair here. So this is 13 hundredths plus 79 thousandths. This is 103 thousandths plus that same 79 thousandths. Okay, good thing I caught that. That helps seeing those there. I should have realized that we have that, the flat, the rod, the little square, and then that little mini rod. I had forgotten that. All right, moving on. Sorry about that. So this is not 2 wholes anymore. That's 2 tenths. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 100ths. So this is 24 100ths minus, again, 1/10 and 6 thousandths. So that's 106 thousandths. And let's look at D. Writing the expression there. 3, 2, 1. We have 2 tenths. It's the same as that. So we have 24 hundredths minus. We have another. We have a tenth, and now we just have hundredths, and that's 6 hundredths. So 16 hundredths. Okay. Good thing I cleared up that confusion for myself and for everyone else. Now let's look at number 2. Carl has 2 dogs. They are black Labrador retrievers. The male weighs 31 and 75 hundredths of kilograms. And the female weighs 29 and 48 hundredths kilograms. How much heavier is the male than the female? Show your work. I'm going to do that in 3, 2, 1. So to find that out, I'm going to subtract. I'm going to remove the female's weight from the male's weight to see. Let me look here. I can change things to be a little easier. This is 48. What do I want to do? So I want either all my numerals up here to be greater here. I could make all of these zeros down here, which looks like I could get to 30 pretty easily by going up 52. That would require some addition up there. What else could I do here? If I got this up to 3199, that might make things a little easier. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to add, what, 24 here, 24 hundredths. I'm going to add 24 hundredths up here when we're subtracting. We have to keep things the same. Oops, I don't know why I put 2 there. So that gets me to 3199, and this 2, let's see, 48 plus 20 is 68, plus 4 is 72. So now we have 29 and 72. I wonder if there's a better way to do that. There probably is. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. I drop my decimal point down. And now we're just looking at 31 minus 29, which is 2. So 2 and 27 kilograms heavier. Alrighty. How much do they weigh all together? Oh, all together, putting both of them together, that is addition. So now we are 31 and 75 hundredths plus 29 and 48 hundredths. Do I want to make this easier on myself? Do I want to give and take? I could get this up to 32 by removing 25 here. Let's do that. So I'm going to add 2500ths here. I'm going to remove 2500ths here. Again, addition, we have to give and take. Subtraction, you keep the distance the same. So this is going to give me 32 kilograms up here. And down here, removing 48 minus 25. 48 minus 20 is 28. Minus 5 is 23. So now 0 plus 3 is 3. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 9 is 11. And 5 is 6. 61 and 23 kilograms together. All right, and there you have it.